Hey loves, it's your girl Joeylissette and welcome back to my channel. Before we could jump into the tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it for you. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Anytime I try to slick my hair, it always do this. My hair has a mind of its own, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my primer. This is from Georgette Klinger. Next up, so we have Miss Vanessa Merrick's. I'm going to apply this. So for brows, I am using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso. And I'm just going to really quickly underline my brow. So I'm going to take my P. Louise base, Rumor 4. This stuff is amazing. If you can get it, you know, if you could wait for the shipping, because it's from the UK, so it does take a while. Honestly, get it. It's worth it. If you don't want to wait, you could use your concealer. Apply this all over the eye. Okay, and you know we want them sharp edges, so I'm going to use my Shadow Shield. These are absolutely amazing. It is a game changer for makeup. I use this on not only me but my clients, and it is one and done every time. Smooth, perfect, flawless. So I am actually going in between two palettes, the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless and the Morphe James Charles palette. So I'm gonna go back in with the P. Louise. I'm gonna go ahead and carve out this crease. This is P. Louise number 125 mini. When I tell you precision when it comes to eyeliner, and the eyeliner I'm using is the Ink Lot Gel Liner. Okay, so now I could breathe. Eyeliner is done. Apply the glue. Now, let me go ahead and do the other eye for TikTok, and I will be So for foundation, I am using the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. I have dry skin, and all the products I use is for hydrating. Give me that nice glowing skin look. And I am using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer in Medium Neutral. And then I'm going to take my Rare Beauty shade Encourage. Now we're going to take the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer in Fair Warm by a little dot right here. Now I'm taking my favorite translucent powder of all time. This is from One Size, and this is amazing. This is the holy grail of all translucent powders. Buy it, you will not regret it. I actually bought the mini one just to test it out. I'm gonna buy a full size. When I tell you this, it is stunning. Look at that. One Size, go ahead, sponsor your girl. This is the Self Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer. It's in the shade Dark from Makeup by Mario. He did his thing. You want a natural contour? You buy this. Honestly, I give this an 8+++. So now I'm going to take some bronzer, and this is from Il Makiage, and it is Waka Waka. It's summertime. This is the time to use your bronzer. So I'm going to take my neon lip liner from LA Girl. Such a pretty pop of color. For blush, I'm going to be using such a pretty color, and I feel like it complements the pink eyeliner very well. I want to melt the under eye into the blush. So how do I do that? I'm going to take a light pink color. I use the nude Juvia's Place, and I use this pink and I mix it with this peach. So look at that difference. For my lip color, I'm going to be taking Vanessa Mirror, Valentine and Bloom, and I'm going to mix them together to get a deeper pink and a lighter red.